Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y70 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. Firstly, go into Settings and tap on Apps. Now you need to choose Permission Manager and click on one of your device's features, like Phone. Then pick one of your apps by clicking on it. I will go with Bing. And select one of those options, Allow or Deny. I will go with Allow, so now when I click on the back button, as you can see, Bing just gained access to my device's phone. But you can always just pick any feature and then an app that you are interested in. I will go with Contacts. And now click on See All Contacts Permissions instead. From here you can manage all of your permissions only for this app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!